Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Tutorial One. Today, and semantic, pragmatic analysis, conceptual, and case study overview. Semantic versus pragmatic, meaning from words and structure. Pragmatic, meaning from context and use. Contohnya, semantics, bank, tempat uang. Pragmatic is code, jendela. Next slide is leksikonim, antonim, himponim, atau hubungan kata, polism, and homonim, ambiguitas. Example is bat, binatang atau olahraga, table, meja, menunda. Creatory, meaning, structure, compositionality, arti kalimat dari gabungan kata. Prototype theory, contoh terbaik dalam kategori. Componential analysis, arti kata dari fitur. Bachelor, in lexical semantics, we study word relationship like synonym, antonyms, and synonyms. Words like begin and start are synonyms, hot and cold are antonyms. We also learn about polyism when one word has multiple related meanings like table, furniture versus agenda, and homonym like pet, animal versus sport, tools, which causes ambiguity. Speech and contest. Dexis, I, hear, now. Atau tergantung konteks. Speech, age, lokusi, tujuan, lokasi permintaan atau janji. Presupposition and entitlement. One important principle in compositionality, meaning that sentence meaning comes from combining from means with structure. Another concept is prototype theory, where some category members are seen are more typical. For example, a robin is a more typical bird than a penguin. We also use componential analysis to break word meaning into future, like a bachelor or human male married. And the next slide is breeze and implicature. Cooperative, principle, quantity, quality, relation, manner, conversational, implicature. Example is late or saatnya pulang. According to Gray's cooperative principle, speakers follow rules like giving the right amount of information, being truthful, relevant, and clear. Sometimes we float this maxim to imply something else. For example, if I say some students pass the last, you might assume that implicature. Slide 7. Figurative language. Language isn't always literary. Metaphors like time is money. So how abstract? Abstract are understood using more concrete ones. Irony happens when you say the opposite of what you mean, like telling someone nice job after they spill coffee. Scalar implicature involves causing a weaker word to imply something stronger. For example, he showed up. Case example, ambiguity and vagueness. Miners refers to work after death. Ambigu. 1. We will bring change. Vague. 2. That scar is a lemon. Bukan buah tapi rusak. Ambiguity and vagueness also affect meaning. Minus refers to work after death is syntactically ambiguous. Do they refer after someone else's death or their own process, like we will bring change, or vague, often used in political speech to sound positive without being specific, and sometimes figurative meaning appears, like calling a broken car a lemon. And the next slide is politeness and interactness. Could you open the window? You should try harder. At first, language leave us nothing behind. Entailment, semantic, pragmatic, K. Ambiguity, inference, politeness. For example, in pragmatic, we also look up politeness strategies. And for example, could you open the window is an indirect request, more polite than saying open. The window teacher saying you should try harder is a face-threatening act, but softness by language, even as used, is like leave us nothing behind, which implies there no result, but doesn't state in directly. And the next slide is, so to wrap up, semantic focus on how words and structure carry literal meaning. Pragmatic show use how meaning change based on context, intent, and social rules. Both are essential to understanding how language really works. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.